Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mandy. Yay! Go, 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 go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy birthday, my love. You have completed another year of your journey, and I pray that our Almighty God will continue to bless you with good health and strength to face whatever trials come your way. Always remember that Kenneth and I are always here for you, whatever happens. And enjoy your special day. We love you so much. I also want to thank Team Wonders for always cheering you up, especially when Kenneth and I are caught up with our responsibilities. And I'm truly grateful that you have them as your second family to brighten your days. You deserve a wonderful celebration. Have a blast and enjoy!
Happy birthday pa! Sana ma-enjoy mo ang araw mo today. Good health palagi at your blessings sa'yo. Thank you for all your sacrifices, love, and support. And hindi ko ma-imagine na buhay namin kapag wala. Ikaw ang pinaka-the best. Wish ko palagi na masaya ka, malakas, at nakapagulap ka. Relax for today. Relax mo yan. Palagi mo kita na hindi ko palagi mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday ulit pa. I love you.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone here. Hope everyone's well and safe. Anyway, just a quick word. I just want to wish happy birthday, Mandy Biazon. You're a good. Hope you have a good day today and have fun and just enjoy yourself. Look after yourself and most importantly your health. Our health is more important anything else in this in this world. Without our health, I suppose we got nothing. So just treasure our health as much as we can. And anyway, just a quick words. Keep up the good job, dear Mandy. You're a good person, inside and out. You're a terrific person. You're one hell of a friend to have. You never complain. Nothing ever's too much to you. So that's how we like you, we love you for that. Your support is amazingly and continuously and unconditional support to your co-teams and especially to our family. We all become it's hard to believe how we just become just friends, and now we're more than like a real family. Yes, we're not related, blood related, but we're all the five of us. You know how you are. The five of us, we come a long way, and hope we stay this way. And now we have seven of us now, so there's the two members that come and come along, and it's very dear to our hearts as well. So we love you, Maggie. Just have fun and like I said, do look after yourself and your health. That's most important is your health. And one day, who knows, we might all get to see all together in person. So keep up the good job, dear. Like I said, I love you. We love you. You get family who loves you very much. It may be here in just YT world, but you got a friend, and there's a lot of people loving you unconditionally, including me and the 6 others. You know who they are. And have fun. Love you. Happy birthday again. Cheer up, chin up, and look up high. Have a good day. Love you. Bye. Mwah. Happy birthday.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening everyone. Jo Lasada is here. Meron akong babatiin na isang kaibigan, kapatid sa kanyang kaarawan. At walang iba kundi si Parts Monday. Ayan. Parts Monday, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay of course good health and more blessing to come. And Parts, ingat lagi sa iyong araw-araw na gawain, sa iyong araw-araw na paglabas. Ayan, ingat kasi alam mo ng panahon ngayon, mahirap na at mahirap magkasakit, Parts. Ayan. Maraming salamat, Parts, sa walang sawang suporta sa akin channel, sa aming channel, at nandiyan ka lagi. Ayan, thank you, Parts. Ayan, at malapit na tayo magkita-kita. Ayan, iniisip ko pa lang parang masaya na ako. Ayan. Parts, happy birthday at ingat lagi. Ayan. We love you, Parts, at alam mo yan. Yan. So ulit, happy birthday and see you around. Bye, Parts!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sa kuya kong napakagaling gumiling, na iisa lang ang step. At yung kuya kong magaling kumanta ng Bahay Kubo. Ayan, happy birthday sa iyo, Kuya Monday. Ayan, thank you always sa support. At thanks kay Whitey at pinagtagpo tayo dito. Maraming salamat sa support lagi sa ating team. Ayan, sa pagkakataon na ito, alam ko magkikita na tayo. At more celebrate. Pinagtagpo tayo dito kay Whitey. For life ng ating pagkakaibigan. Again, enjoy your day. More blessings and good health. And happy birthday, Kuya. God bless.
Hi, Kuya. Ayan, magandang tanghali o araw o ano pa man. And then, nais ko muna ikaw batiin ng happy birthday to you, Kuya. I wish you a good health, more long life, more blessed to come, of course. And I love you, Kuya. And ayan, lagi kang mag-iingat. Take care always of yourself. And ayan, sana huwag kang magbago sa amin. And mananatili pa rin yung pagmamahal mo sa amin. And ganun din kami, mahal ka namin, Kuya. I love you and ingat ka parati at wag kang magbabago sa amin. Ayan, thank you always, Kuya, na lagi kang nakasupport sa amin. And mahal ka namin. And happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day, Kuya. At alam kong masaya ka sa araw ng iyong kaarawan ngayon. At minsan lang yan sa isang taon na nagaganap yung iyong kaarawan. So, this is a surprise, Kuya. Surprise. Ito yung sinasabi ko na I want to give a surprise to my Kuya Monday, of course. And Kuya, I love you, Kuya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya. Love you.
Hi Kuya Mandy! Happy birthday! Wish you more birthdays to come, successful in life, good health, and more birthdays to come. So enjoy your day. God bless you always, Kuya Mandy. We love you, Kuya Mandy. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Mandy. I hope you have many more. Yes, you're not getting younger, but you're better looking. Okay, bro. Happy birthday from Team Wonders.
Hi guys, welcome to my guys. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Gusto ko lang batiin ang ating pinakamagaling, pinakabigo Kuya Mandy. Kuya Mandy, happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na nga ba? Maraming salamat Kuya Mandy dahil isa pa sa buo ng Team Wonders. Salamat dahil sarap mong kasama sa kantaan. Magaling ka rin isang tunay ng mga awit. So, happy birthday. Sana ay malasing mo kami sa iyong kanta. Thank you dahil naging part ka ng buhay. Dahil sa ibinahagi ng sarili ko sa pagkanta. Kuya Mandy, happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come. And thank you dahil sa kami mabait na kuya in Wonders. Happy birthday again, Kuya Mandy. God bless. Bye.
Ayan. Sir Mandy, happy birthday to you. At sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo at saka tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-whitey. Sige lang, kanta lang tayo sa whitey at more birthdays to come and good health. Okay, Sir Mandy, happy birthday again. Alright. Ayun, tama na yan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Mandy. Sana lagi kang masaya at lagi kang healthy. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. Happy birthday! Take care and God bless us!
Hello! Shoutout sa ating Team Wonders, lalong-lalo na sa ating pinakapuging kuya sa ating Team Wonders. Kuya Mandy, happy birthday Kuya Mandy! Nandito tayo sa labas ng ating bahay kasi maingay dyan sa loob. Kita nyo naman may mga saging-saging dyan. Wish you all the best in life, Kuya Mandy, and many more birthdays to come in your life. Happy birthday Kuya. Happy. Sana maligay ka sa birthday mo ngayon Kuya. Happy birthday once again Kuya. Happy birthday and God bless you all the time. Bye-bye.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening everyone. Ito si Jane. Nagusto lang babati sa isa nating kaibigan sa larangan ng YouTube na walang iba kundi si Sir Mandy Biason. Sir Mandy, happy birthday sa'yo. May you live long, good luck, and God bless you always. Keep safe always. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, Sir Mandy. At isa pa is, nagpapasalamat ako sa The Team Wonders dahil sa Team Wonders nakilala ko si Sir Mandy being isang kaibigan sa YouTube. At I enjoyed much joining your live streams, the Team Wonders. And one thing is, I thank you very much to the person who invited me here to share a few words to the birthday celebrant na isa kong naging close friend din sa through Team Wonders. At kahit hindi pa kami nagkikita, parang naging close na kami each other, even though through messages lang. So again, thank you to you, my friend. Because of you, andito ako ngayon para nag-share ng few words para kay Sir Mandy. And again, thank you everyone. Thank you Sir Mandy. Thank you the Team Wonders, and thank you to my guest who friend. I love you all and keep safe always. Bye!
Ayan, hello. Have a nice day, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Sa lahat po ng nakikinig o nanonood sa oras na ito, guys. Mayroon lang po akong gustong batiin. Ito nga pala si Marl Istani Vlog. Ayan, gusto ko pong batiin ang nag-celebrate ngayon ng birthday. Walang iba kundi ang isa sa aking mga kuya sa YT and sa totoong buhay. Ayan, ang aming kababayan ni Dayong Dalia. Ayan, walang iba kundi ang poging-pogi, mabait na si Kuya Mandy Biason. Ayan, Kuya Mandy, happy birthday sa iyo. Ayan, more blessings to come, more success sa anumang aspect ng iyong buhay. Ayan, and of course, good health lagi. Alam kong sabi mo nga ay hindi ka nagkakasakit. So, sana ay always yan hanggang sa iyong pagtanda. So, ayan, di ba? So, ayan, ang wish ko sa iyo, Kuya Mandy, ay maging happy ka lagi. Alam kong may mga pagsubok tayo na pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Ngunit alam ko na kayang-kaya mo yun dahil may faith ka kay God. So, ayan, pray lang, Kuya Mandy, andito lang kami, andito lang ako. Gusto mong tumawa or gusto mong may group chat na tawanan, ayan, full ka lang sa GC natin. Ayan. So, ayan, happy birthday, Kuya Mandy. Enjoy your day and thank you sa laging support sa akin sa pag-akyat. Ayan, maraming salamat. At mabuhay ka po hanggang gusto mo. Ayan. Good health always, Kuya Mandy. For blessings to come, more happiness and more life, more friends, and of course, more revenue to come. Ayan. Happy birthday, Kuya Mandy. Love you dyan. God bless. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa harap ng camera at gagawa tayo ng birthday greeting sa ating isang kaibigan sa team natin na Team The Wonders. Ayan. Happy birthday, bro Mandy Biason. More blessings, more success to your channel, and God bless po. Maraming salamat sa support. Nandyan lang kayo sa support ninyo kay Colats TV at sa lahat ng team. Maraming salamat. Once again, happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come. And to your family, God bless, and always lang tayo, support lang tayo sa lahat nating mga kaibigan. Okay, kahit virtual friends lang tayo, at least nagpakatotoo tayo, di ba? Kaya good vibes lang, enjoy life, and then enjoy your day, bro. Happy birthday once again.
Hello guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, at saan man sulok tayo ng mundo naroon, mega love shout out. Before po ako magbigay birthday greeting sa aking pogi, cute na Kuya Mandy, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa ating Lalabs Dalia Mix Vlog. Thank you Lalabs ko, thank you so much for inviting me para magbigay ng birthday greeting sa aking Kuya Mandy kong cute. Ayan guys, Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, bago po napunta sa The I Wonder, ang ating Kuya Mandy ay matagal na po kaming magkakilala dito sa social media. At saka, salamat Lala Dalia sa pag-invite sa akin para magbigay birthday greetings sa ating Kuya kong cute. Ayan, Kuya Mandy, happy birthday. Ayan. Kuya, alam ko matagal-tagal na tayong nakakilala dito sa YT World. At maraming salamat always sa support mo sa akin, na minsan na naghingi ako na mag-rescue para akyatan mo ako sa live ko kung minsan alam kong busy ka, pero gumagawa ka talaga ng paraan para masamahan mo ako. Thank you so much Kuya. And also sa lahat na nag-support sa ating Kuya Mandy, maraming salamat. At saka ang wish ko, at alam kong wish din ng lahat ng ito para sa iyo Kuya, is good health always. Alagaan mo po ang inyong kalusugan, huwag pabayaan, at saka mag-iingat po always sa kahit saang lakad. Ayan, sa biyahe man o sa kung saan man ikaw magpunta, lagi ka pong mag-iingat. At sa bagong bahay ngayon na nandun kung saan ang ating Kuya Mandy, na nandoon ang team na The I Wonder, salamat po sa inyong paggabay, tulong at suporta sa nag-iisang Mandy Biason. Ayan. Thank you so much The I Wonder sa inyong pagyakap, pagmamahal at suporta na ibinigay sa kay Kuya Mandy. Ayan, isa pong tahimik na tao si Kuya Mandy, at saka isa pong may mabusilak na puso at nagmamahal na sa kahit sino sa atin dito sa social media. Kaya once again Kuya, mag-enjoy ka lang po sa iyong birthday. May handa man o wala, ang importante is good health always. Once again, Lalabs Dalia, thank you so much po sa pag-invite sa akin dahil hindi ko po talaga alam ang birthday ni Kuya Mandy. Thank you sa'yo na in-inform mo ako na birthday pala ni Kuya Mandy. Ayan. Once again, thank you so much everyone, at makisaya kung sa anuman ang kaganapan sa birthday ng ating Kuya kong cute. Thank you so much once again, The I Wonder, sa pagmamahal ninyo at pagsuporta at pagyakap ninyo sa aking Kuya kong cute. Ayan. Happy birthday, Kuya kong cute. Good health always. More birthdays to come in. More birthdays to come and God bless you more. Pasensya na kayo, nabubulol. Ayan. Lalabs Dalia also, thank you so much dahil nakikita ko kung paano ka sumuporta, paano mo minahal si Kuya Mandy. Maraming salamat po. Thank you once again everyone, and God is good, God is great. Thank you so much guys. Love you all. This is Inday Daya Vlog, ang inyong lingkod. Thank you and I love you all. Thank you Kuya. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tol Mandy. More birthdays to come. Good health and God bless you always. Mabuhay ka.